What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be taking you through how to upload a video on YouTube. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get straight into the video. First of all, you go to YouTube homepage, then you log into the account that you want to upload the video. Then you come to the upper right corner of your homepage where there's the plus sign. You click on it, then there will be a pop-up. Then here we have upload video, we have go live, we have create post. Then click on the upload video. Here we have drag and drop video file to upload, or you can select a file. So now let's just click to select a file, to select the video you want to upload. So here let's go and search for the video. When you find the video you want to upload, you just click on it, then click open. Then here you can now fill the details of the video they want to upload. So here I'll just paste the title of the video. Then I'll come to the description here. Then I'll paste. You can see here processing is uploading, the video is uploading. While the video is uploading, then you just be filling in the descriptions of the video. You fill in the details, and here we have the description. Here you just fill in your descriptions. Then here you come here we have the thumbnail. You just click to upload the thumbnail, so you click here, then you search for the thumbnail that you want to upload. So this is the thumbnail, and if you want to know how to create a thumbnail, I have a video. I'll leave a video in the description, or you can just go through my videos. There's a video that I've made on how to create a thumbnail. It's so simple in making a thumbnail with Canva. You can just go through it. So here you come down here, you click no, it is not made for kids. This video is not made for kids. Here we have the tags, so just fill in the tags. So here you can see I've filled in my tags. You scroll down here, you put in the category. You just look at your video, what niche it is, what niche your video is in. Since my video is all about education, I'll just click here education. If yours is about entertainment, it's about animals, or it's about the stock market, or whatever it is, you just click here, then search for the niche, then you put it there. You can see it's still processing. So you go to the next tab, which is monetization. So if you want to monetize your video, you just type the on, but if you don't want, you can tap the off. So since I want to monetize my video, I'll just tap it on, then I'll click done. Then I'll move to the next stage. You just go through it, make sure your video is suitable for all this. You are not violating their terms and conditions. Just go through them. Since my video is not talking about none of this, it's not about a controversial issue, no, it isn't about firearms or any harmful or dangerous acts. Since it's none of the above, I'll just click on it and I'll click next. So here they are checking. I just wait for it to finish checking. Here to check your video to make sure that it's ad suitability, and to also check to make sure there are no any copyright on the video, that this video is original, it's originally created by you. So just wait for it to check. So you can see checking complete, no issue found. Sometimes it takes a little bit while for it to check. So that when you want to upload the video without you not delaying, you can just go on and turn off the monetization. Just turn it off. After you turn it off, the checking will be completed. Then later on, after you have finished publishing the video or uploading the video, then you turn it on. So now let's just go next. Here you can either send it to public, which means you want to publish your video, you want everyone can watch your video, or you can schedule it. So let's just say if I want to schedule my video, if I want the video to be scheduled on 28th, I'll just schedule on 28th, and then the time that I want it to be scheduled, I'll just do the time that I want. Or I can also decide to post it on 27th, but decide to choose the time that I want. So it's as simple as that. But since I'm not interested in scheduling, I want to publish it now, I'll just click save and publish. Then I'll click save. You can just go through them. Now I'll click save. Sorry, I was supposed to click the public before I was able to do that. So see here, so here it is unlisted, so I just have to go back here. So let me just go back to the edit side, so I'll make it much easier. So here you just come here, then click publish, click public, you click on public, then click done, then you save it. Now my video is live. after tapping on the save and publish, you have to click the public mark to make sure that it is live. So what I was saying earlier on, so sometimes when you put the monetization on, for it to check to see if your video is suitable for monetization or doesn't have any copyright claim, it takes a while. So if you are in a hurry, sometimes you just have to turn off the monetization in the process. But after you have finished publishing it, you can just come back here, then you click on it, then you turn on, then click next, then take you through the process of action. See, to just go through, there's your video's content, title, description, or keywords contained under the following. So if it doesn't contain under the following, you just click none. So since my video doesn't contain any of the following, I just click none of the above, then I click submit. So you can see my monetization is on. So as simple as that. So that's how you upload a video. And in case if you are not yet monetized, the monetization tab will not show. You just still follow the same process to publish your video or upload your video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.